Can a company claim trademark registration of a foreign brand name in its native country? The question may sound very silly, but this practice is rampant not just in India but across all the other countries of the world. In this brief presentation, I will answer this question from Indian perspective, whether an Indian company should get into such kind of strategy and claim trademark registrations of the foreign brand names in India or not. So there could be two possibilities. Possibility number one, where the foreign company, which is the original owner of the foreign brand name in question, does not want to enter into India at all. In such possibility, which could be in this today scenarios, considering that India is going to become the world third largest economy in the world, it is highly improbable that a brand name which is famous in other parts of the world does not want to come to India. Considering this remote possibility in your favor, you may have chance to file trademark application for such brand names in India, and accordingly, if you are lucky enough, you may not get any opposition. The trademark application may be accepted in your favor. However, you must be very cautious while even thinking of such kind of strategy. You must be aware of what will be the consequences if the company who owns this particular foreign brand name enters into India and starts enforcing its rights against you. If the foreign company owning the brand name, original brand name, comes to India with the prior evidence of use and along with the trans-border reputation, these two principles are very well acknowledged in Indian courts as well as by the trademark registry. Then you will be having very tough time in the courts if you are intending to claim the trademark rights over the foreign brand names in India. Let us evaluate the risks associated by claiming the trademark rights over the foreign brand names. The company who is the original owner of this foreign brand name can seek various reliefs from the court against you. First and foremost could be they can initiate a passing of action against you, as well as if the foreign company has also got the trademark registered in its in their own name, then obviously a trademark infringement action can also be taken against you. Practically, if you are using a domain name, if you are using any hosting space for your website, the access to the domain names which are very similar to the foreign brand names can be blocked. The websites can be blocked, your digital presence can be blocked. The digital presence include access to your social media profiles on Facebook, on Amazon portal, on Twitter, whatever you can think of. The company who owns the trademark rights in India and who is the original owner of the trademark right of the foreign brand name, that can seek such kind of remedies against you. Ultimately, in the end, if you are malafidely using the foreign brand names in India and the foreign company has entered into the India, then you do not have any good chance of getting relief from the courts as well as from the trademark office. However, I also intend to point it out here is that if the foreign company remains silent for a substantial period of time, maybe 10 years, 15 years, 30 years, and meanwhile during this period you are an honest as well as the continuous user of that particular trademark in India, then the foreign company who has intentionally chosen to remain away from India and who has intentionally chosen not to protect its rights in India, then the foreign company will also have a tough time to establish its trademark rights in India. Overall, you must choose your own brand names and do not copy paste the foreign brand names and build your business on these brand names, because after a longer period of time, when your business has gained some momentum, then it would be very difficult for you to ensure that if you have wrongly selected the brand name which is of some foreign entity and that entity has chosen to seek action against you, it is going to be a difficult part on your business strategy or on your business operations, and you may have to face damages from the courts for malafide use of such foreign brand names. I hope this brief presentation on how to avoid using foreign brand names for building businesses would have helped you to understand what are the various risks involved in such kind of strategy. And thank you very much for going through this video. And I will try to bring more videos on how the IP can be used as a tool for business growth and building more business opportunities. Till then, stay tuned to this channel, and thank you. Jai Hind.